A Tucson man convicted in a double homicide claims he is innocent, but a Pima County judge recently denied the man's petition for a new trial. Eduardo Celaya was convicted in the 2005 murders of two men at Kennedy Park. He was sentenced to consecutive life terms in prison, with the possibility of parole after 50 years. 9 on Your Side's Ricky Mitchell has been following this case, and she joins us with more information.
And guys, since his conviction, Eduardo Celaya has tried to convince the courts that he deserves a new trial, and he has maintained his innocence from the beginning. His attorney tried to show the judge during his last hearing that Celaya should get a new trial based on newly discovered evidence. On October 21, 2005, a passerby noticed two men slumped over in this red car at Kennedy Park. Police later determined that Humberto Enciso and Miguel Noriega Tenori were both shot dead. The case remained open for nearly a year with few leads and no official suspects. Then a man came forward and accused Eduardo Celaya of killing the two men. Police said that evidence they collected supported that man's claim. A jury convicted Celaya on 2 counts of first-degree murder in July 2007.
I'm trying to get a new trial now. I mean, I've already been 9 years in here for something I didn't commit.
Celaya was convicted based on testimony from the state's star witness, along with evidence of a bullet found in Celaya's work truck that police said was fired from the same gun that killed the victims, though police never found the murder weapon. At his last evidentiary hearing, Celaya's attorney said that a 2009 National Academy of Science report challenges the science of matching bullets, and that information could have been used in Celaya's original trial.
Forensic scientists came into the courtroom and said this could be done. And not long after Eddie Celaya's trial, it was discovered through the NAS report that this was based on faulty science. It was based on assumptions that were never validated or proven.
The judge ultimately ruled that even if a jury heard this evidence in 2007, it would not have changed their verdict, meaning it is not considered newly discovered evidence under the law. The judge also considered the testimony of 2 men who said they heard the state's star witness confess to the murders years after Eduardo Celaya was convicted. But the judge said their testimony wasn't credible, and it also wouldn't have changed the jury's verdict. 9 on Your Side plans to follow Celaya's case, and his attorney plans to pursue appeals in both the Arizona Court of Appeals and the Arizona Supreme Court. And we are taking an in-depth look at Celaya's case in the coming weeks. Guy?
Thank you, Ricky.